Today, a single candle will light up our story. First, let's sketch a gentle flame and the candle that holds it, waiting to warm the night. Start with bright orange for the outer flame and a warm yellow for the inner light, like it's holding the sun's last ray of the day. Paint the candle in golden yellow. Let the color be even, like melted honey frozen in time. Use a deep brown for the candle holder, giving it the feeling of old polished wood that's been touched by many hands. Finally, add gentle shadows on the candle's curves so it looks round and soft, glowing from within. Here's our candle, glowing with warmth and magic. Even the smallest light can warm the coldest night.